Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join tea party in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, if you want to join a party, you need to go to the party menu, open up your watch and go to the party, and you're going to select the tea party here. You can either throw a party or you can join the other player's party. And I'm just going to join the other player's party. Let's find the tea party. Okay, this one. I'm going to click on confirm join. Okay, hold on. Okay, this is the house where the tea party begins. And yeah, just wait for the host to start the party. And okay guys, that's how you can join a tea party in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.